From WBON TV News.
This is Pepsi Zero Sugar. Zero sugar, 0 calories, but max Pepsi taste. It's okay to get emotional. We know just how you feel.
WBON TV went to where it all started in Berea today to assess the cleanup situation after yesterday's chemical spill into neighborhood streams and water supplies. The company, KI USA Corporation, which makes automotive parts, has apparently been cited for the same incident multiple times, most recently in March. We spoke to Lanny Brannick of the Kentucky EPA, who told us exactly what happened here in Berea near the industrial park.
It appears to be an oil and water substance, and we are familiar with KI because they've been having an issue for a couple of years now with groundwater intrusion into their basement. And the way they were dealing with that was pumping that water out. Well, over the weekend, one of their pumps that was pumping that water in their basement out failed, and the water got up into a pit that holds oil. So that oil and water mixture got pumped into their outfall and ultimately ended up in a creek. We were made aware of it Sunday morning, went down, took samples, and those samples are being evaluated and tested right now. We won't know what they are for several days. They're going to get a notice of violation for degradation of waters of the Commonwealth and possibly other items from this incident. This will be their third notice of violation since June of 2015. So they're going to be referred to the Kentucky Division of Enforcement. And what that means is they will have to come up with a plan that we agree to that will ultimately fix this problem. They'll face a fine. I'm not sure how big that fine will be, but they are going to face a fine at some point. And they'll have to come up with a plan that's known as an agreed order in order to mitigate this problem. That will take place over the next several months. This is not an immediate fix for the problem, but we expect that they'll have their pump that was problematic for them over the weekend fixed or replaced.
Lanny went on to say that the company reiterates that the chemical is not hazardous, that it is mostly vegetable oil. However, he said that the Kentucky EPA will still do their due diligence and make sure the mixture is tested by the state to ensure it is not a hazardous waste substance as solutions are reached by KI to fix the reoccurring issue. For WBON TV, I'm Marissa Hempel.